Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can craft the horsetail to create like the lingonberry in Grow a Garden. If you go to the select recipe here in the crafting table and on the middle table, select the horsetail one, this one, because you'll need it to craft the lingonberry. You'll need a daffodil seed. If it looks like this, you'll need seeds. If it looks like this, you'll need the plants, as you can see. So craft, and then here I'm just going to get the daffodil seed, submit item, and then the bamboo, and then corn. Then you're just going to start crafting. It takes 15 minutes, and then when you're done, you're just going to then craft the lingonberry using blueberries and the horsetail. I think you need 3 blueberries, which I do need to replant. Do I have any seeds at all? Because I did remove them. Oh, I do have them. Where would I put them? I'll just put them behind here. Oh my gosh. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.